where Explain Everything really excels is its ability to be able to take, for instance, an exam paper and embed it into a series of slides inside itself. So if I click New Project, I've got two options to do it. I can either do it straight from here if I click Files, or I could do it from blank canvas. I'm going to go into a blank canvas because you might be working and think, right, okay, how do I get it in? Click the plus button at the top, click File. So you can import from any of these different places. So I'm going to look for my Google Drive. Then you can navigate through your drive if you'd like to, but I'm just going to do a search for PDF and see what it hopefully will give me. Could take a little minute for it to think to itself. Could go and have a cup of tea while it searches. It's probably searching for everything. I don't know if it will. No, it's taking too long. I don't like it. Well, there it has. It's found lots of PDFs. Okay, so I could then, let's see what we've got. So we've got all sorts of stuff here. So you can see all the different PDFs I've got in there. That's why it's taken so long. So you can then choose your PDF. So let's have a look here, and then scheme of learning. What does that give me? That one there. No, it won't even let me import it. Of course, that wouldn't let me import it. So if I click in here, so I've selected that track. Don't know why it wouldn't let me import this. Oh, there we go. It's just thinking to itself. So you have to give it a little bit of time. Then I'm going to click import. And as you can see there, this is a multi-page PDF. We have the ability then to add it as a grid. We can add it stacked on top of each other, all the different things on top of each other. We can have them horizontally like it already is, vertically, so sitting on top of each other, but I think separate slides is the best. So when we click Insert, we then get a 10-page Explain Everything. So we can go through using the navigation panes at the bottom. We can see what each page is, and then knowing what we now know, we can then get a pencil out and then start marking it up, typing in, press record, do this, get your pointer tool, say, right, here in Beauty Project, do. So it's quite nice that you can then record things, but the brilliant thing is that you get everything in one hit. You can record, pause, go to the next slide, and then talk about what's going on this slide, go to the next slide, and then we'll look at exporting that little video out later. But that just shows you how to import a PDF from Google Drive, from OneDrive, from anywhere.